Hello everyone, and today we have received a Pixel digital photo frame with Wi-Fi from the company Divoom, namely the model called Pixoo 64. The whole thing is supplied in this kind of packaging, where the Pixel display itself is depicted on the front side, and its main advantages are indicated on the back side. Well, let's move on to unpacking and see what's inside. Manual, warranty card, power supply, 10 watts, 5 volts, 2 amps. Long braided USB-A to USB-C cable, 2 screw hooks and 2 rubber washers that can be used as feet for the display or hung on the wall, a leg so you can put the screen on the table, and of course the Divoom Pixoo 64 display itself. The Pixoo 64 is made entirely of matte plastic with sharp edges, like a photo frame. With a huge display on the front, the display has a resolution of 64 by 64 pixels with over 4,000 LEDs, making it much more suitable for displaying text information. And it will definitely show off all the information well even in the brightest of rooms. It's also the largest pixel art display they've ever made, measuring about 26 centimeters square and 18 millimeters deep. On the side of the device, you'll find 2 buttons. One tap of the top button will turn the device on or off. The other changes the current display mode, cycling through your chosen clock face. On the back of the device, there is a mount for a small plastic leg, so that the case stands freely at an angle of about 5 to 10 degrees, a mount for mounting on a wall, a hole for a microphone, and a Type-C power port hidden in a groove. The device itself does not have a built-in battery, so it needs to be connected to a USB with an output of 5 volts and 2 amps. As for power, it consumes up to 10 watts through a 2-meter braided USB-C cable. The microphone in the device is not accidental. The frame is equipped with a mode in which it listens to the surrounding space and builds a visualization based on this. For example, when I speak in the background in accordance with my voice, frequency columns jump. In addition, you will find 1 tripod screw attachment point on the top edge, and a couple on the bottom edge. To turn on the device, simply apply power or hold down the up button on the right end. Like all Divoom displays, the main method of interaction and configuration of the Pixoo 64 is the Divoom app. It's the same app across the entire range of products, so if you have another Divoom product, you're definitely already familiar with it. You can either try your hand at pixel art from within your app, as you can create your own pixel art designs, animations, or scrolling text. If you're not feeling creative, you can access thousands of designs created by fans around the world. You can like them, download them, leave comments, and post your own designs if you like. I was able to find lots of designs I liked super easily and download them to my Pixoo 64 so I could display them. It's really impressive to see how talented some people are. There are simply a sea of options, and it will take more than 1 hour to try them all. Or, for example, you can color a pixel coloring book, developing artistic thinking. There are several radio stations. The phone will play them itself, since there are no speakers in the frame. There is even the option to set an alarm, and the display will ring at the right time, showing the pixel image you have chosen. You can also set a stopwatch to keep track of time, keep score in some games, or even measure the surrounding noise. You'll also find a clock channel. Here you can customize new smart elements that update in real time. There are a number of watch faces to choose from, including social stats, YouTube channel subscribers, YouTube video views, Twitter followers, Twitch subscribers, and other streaming platforms. Financial data, US stock prices, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency prices, and exchange rates. Normal clocks, because you don't have enough devices that already display the time. Game stats, total kills or wins in matches in League of Legends, APEX Legends, Overwatch, and Fortnite. And the countdown to completely different holidays. In the device settings, you can reduce the overall brightness, set a shutdown schedule, night mode parameters, start the initial animation, default clock, set the time and temperature format, adjust the white balance, rotate the screen by the desired number of degrees, or make a mirror image, and reset all settings to default values. That's basically all the functionality of the digital frame. This toy is very addictive. If you haven't had a product from this company yet, then I'm sure you'll hang out with it for a couple of days for sure. As a result, the Divoom Pixoo 64 pixel digital photo frame will undoubtedly appeal to children, entertain you, and allow you to get creative. In addition, you can display various counters, exchange rates, or simply enjoy the vast library of animations, which is also updated via Wi-Fi. And that's all from me. You can buy it using the link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.